Good morning, students. This video is meant for the students of Standard 9th and 10th English Medium, Carmel Convent School, Junagadh. My dear students, hope all of you are keeping fine and doing your online studies regularly. I know that these days you all are writing the test papers, the unit test. I wish you all the best. And side by side, I hope you all are completing your notebooks. Today let us learn email writing. Okay, email, what is the full form of email? That is electronic mail, which is much quicker, much safer than the ordinary letter. We have to post, you write the letter, post it, then I don't know how many days that postmaster will take to reach. This will happen. But email writing, once you type, you use it, you send to the receiver, and that very moment the person can get. Like letter writing, email writing also is having two types, that is formal and informal writing. Formal also we call official letters, like letter of permission, letter of complaint, and so on. And informal also we call friendly letters, like writing to the friends, writing to your relatives, and so on. Today I am sure that most of you all are using already email writing, how to write email, you know it. But then today we will learn from the point of examination. Okay, for your exams, usually some 5 marks, 6 marks question comes for email writing. So you should know the format of or the rules of writing email according to the rules. Okay. First let us learn the format of email writing. First and foremost, you have to write from. From means one who is writing, you are writing, no? So your email ID has to be first. I hope all of you are having your email ID. So first there should be sender's email ID from. Then two receivers email ID, to whom you are sending, to whom you are writing, that person's receiver's email ID. Then you have the CC. CC means, in the full form of CC, that is carbon copy. That is other person receiving the same mail with visible IDs. That is more than one person. Suppose you want to write a letter, same letter. For example, you want to tell your friends, let's go for a picnic. Okay, and that is you are going to send through mail, same topic, same matters, and so you can write in one mail by just you have to write their CC. After two will appear CC. You write all maybe 10-15 of your friends their ID, email ID, but it is visible IDs. Visible, it will be seen. Each other will know whom you are sending. Okay. The next is BCC. BCC full form is blind carbon copy. That means the same thing, but here the other person receiving the same mail with invisible IDs. That means you are writing the email ID of others, also your friends, but then nobody is knowing each other whom you are sending. Okay. Then next point would be subject. Subject, the reasons for writing mail. Why you are writing? From where to get? Usually from your question only you will get you have to write the subject. Then come the salutation, like in the letter writing also, the salutation like my dear friend, or respected sir, respected madam, and so on. Then the main body, the main content of the mail on the subject matter, why you are writing. Then comes the closing or ending statement, like your truly, your loving friend, your sincerely, and so on. And then last the signature, sender signature, who is writing. Means you are writing, so your signature will be there. I have given one, again you will see the format here. Okay. Format first is, I told you, the from. From you see, for example, mohit@gmail.com or smita123@yahoo.com or rabiabc@redditmail.com, whatever it is. Okay, whatever ID is there. But two things you have to remember here. All the letters will be small letter and without space. You see here, I have not used any capital letter or no space. You see, that you have to remember, otherwise your marks will be cut. Then two, to whom you are writing. I have given only example, maybe hitesh@gmail.com, rima123@yahoo.co.in, sanjuxyz@rediffmail.com. There are Hotmail. There are so many other domain are there. So you find out, and I am sure most of you know it. So you write this way. Learn to create this. Okay. Then subject. Third point will be subject. I have not written here CC and BCC. That is like, suppose you have to write all this. Here you have to write. First you will write one mail, one person's, then BCC, and go on entering like this. Okay, more than one ID we call BCC. Others will not see, blind carbon copy. Then comes the third point is subject. Subject, from where to learn, where to write the subject according to the question. Like either congratulations, well done, get well soon. Like this. Subject should be very short. It should be very attractive, and just one phrase or short sentence, that's all. Okay. Now I will give you one sample for writing email. You see, write an email to your friend congratulating him or her for securing good percentage in SSC board exams. How you will write? Answer. You will have to write the answer. Then from rahul123@gmail.com. You see, there is no capital letter, no space. To madhav@rediffmail.com. Same way, no space, no capital letter. Here there is no CC, neither BCC. Why? Because only to your friend, one person you are writing, congratulating him or her. And so subject will be congratulations. Naturally, here congratulating him or her. Therefore, subject is congratulations. Then again, in the mail, you cannot write pages. You write just short letter. My dear Madhav, I am so glad to wish you hearty congratulations for scoring such a high percentage in your SSC board exams. I am sure you might have been waiting for this day to get your result. To get 90% is not an easy task. I too was waiting for this day to know how much you would score. You truly deserve because you have worked hard for it. Which school are you planning to join? Please let me know some tips as how to study. Hope to see you soon. Greetings to your parents and love to your sister. Your loving friend, Rahul. Clear? Subject matter is, everything is come here, the content of the letter, because question is congratulating for securing good percentage. Okay. So this is what the email writing you have to write in your exam. Now I have given you for your work, your questions. 3 questions I have given. 3 email to write. First, write email to your friends welcoming them to join your birthday party. Here will come your either BCC or CC. I told you again, CC means all will see. Okay, whomever you are welcoming. It is better, safe is BCC, so that no one knows whom you are inviting. Okay, it will be suspense. So you have to write more than one ID. But in the exam you have to show. Okay, in the exam you cannot keep it invisible. So in exam, and now for your homework also, when you are writing in your notebook, you have to write more than one ID. You write their CC and write at least 5 IDs. Clear? Just you place one comma and go on writing. Second, write an email to the principal requesting her to grant you a leave of absence for 4 days as you are going to attend your sister's marriage. Clear? Like how you are writing application, same way, but then email you will have to write your principal's email ID. Okay, you create your own and you write it there. Then third, write a letter to the postmaster complaining against the irregular delivery of your letters. Letter to the postmaster, to the head post office you have to write. Is it clear? So complete in your grammar composition notebook that you have to make. One side grammar and second side you can write your composition, and start with the email writing. Tomorrow you will have to write some essay. I will give you the topic of essay writing. Thank you.